Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix see your password for Facebook, Google and other sites or apps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your Gmail app. Tap on your Gmail. After that, go to your Gmail profile. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. You can see here more option. Select second option, security and signing. Scroll down little bit. Tap on password. Use your fingerprint. You can see here two option, new password and confirm new password. Future, let's find password and your user names for Facebook, Instagram and other sites. It's all in one place. For this, open setting on your phone. After that, scroll down. Open your Google account. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your setting. Scroll down little bit. Tap on Google. Tap on this. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. Tap on Google Passkey password. Use your fingerprint. Sorry. Tap on passkey and security key. Use your fingerprint.